We know that inspiration strikes when you are on the move. And the Kia Connect app is here to help you while you are out looking for it. All you need is a smartphone or a smartwatch to access more than 66 smart features that'll elevate your Kia ownership experience. On your way to an important business meeting? The Kia Connect app has got you covered. Inspired by go-getters like you, the app is designed to deliver the ultimate connected car experience. Let's look at how the smart remote features of the Kia Connect app help you get a good head start to every day. On a big day, it's important to keep your car just as ready to go as you are. And with the Kia Connect app, you can do it effortlessly with the remote engine start-stop function. Tap the remote icon. Tap on Duration to set the time limit for keeping the car on. Tap the Start icon and then enter your PIN. A pop-up notification that the remote command has been sent reflects on the screen. On completion, a remote command successful notification is sent on your Kia Connect app. You can also stop the engine by tapping the Stop icon and then enter your PIN. A pop-up notification that the remote command has been sent reflects on the screen. On completion, a remote command successful notification is sent on your Kia Connect app. And getting there cool is just as important. So the Kia Connect app also lets you set your car's AC to the desired temperature remotely. Tap on Remote icon. Tap on Climate Settings and select the air conditioning settings. Set the temperature. Repeat the remote engine start function to remotely turn the AC on. Need a breath of fresh air after the meeting? No worries. Just like the temperature, the Kia Connect app